surprise for all of you. So make sure you watch this video till the end to hear the big surprise. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. A channel where I talk about career in tech and productivity. And I'm so excited to launch this interview segment in my channel. So many of you keep asking me about interview suggestion, tips and so many other queries related to interview. So I have decided to launch this interview section on my channel. So apart from productivity, career, jobs, you can also find interview related videos on my channel. So I hope you enjoyed this segment on my channel, and also if you have any more queries, doubts, please feel free to drop it into the comment section so that I can address them in my next video. And I'm so excited to announce that we have built a community of 1,000 subscribers for this channel, and I'm so overwhelmed for all the love and support which you have shown me in past 1 year, and I'm very thankful for that. So in order to give back to my community, I have built an interesting surprise for all of you. So make sure you watch this video till the end to hear the big surprise. So now let's get back to this video. Getting interviewed via online platforms like Skype, Zoom, Google Meet is not an easy task. There are some of the prerequisites or tips which you need to keep in mind. So what I have done is I have collected some of the tips from the industry experts and professionals who have been on both the sides of the online interview process. So we will be discussing all those tips so that before you get into an online video interview, you make sure that all those tips and tricks are in your mind so that you don't ruin your next interview. So let me tell you one thing, this video is not only for someone who will be giving their online interview for the first time, but this video will be helpful for someone who have already given several online interviews. So just to tell you that keeping all these tips in mind will make you prepared, and you can make your interview process very smooth because you won't be having tension about the other background stuff which goes on in the interview process. Rather, you will be only focusing on the skill sets and the questions asked by the interview. So this will rather build up your confidence in your next online interview. So make sure you watch this video till the end and make a checklist of each and every point while going to your next interview. So before we start this video, make sure if you like my videos, hit the like button to mention all your queries, comments in the comment section so that I can address them in my upcoming videos. And also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of my latest videos. So let's get started. So number 1 on my list is being prepared. It is very important to prepare yourself for an online interview as you would have prepared yourself in an offline interview. Because when you are prepared, you are confident about yourself and you can address the stressful situation of the interview very nicely. So what exactly you should take care? You should research about the company, what exactly is their industry, what are their products, what are their achievements, so that you can highlight these kind of points in your interview. So number 2 on my list is test your technology. This point is the backbone of an online video interview, because no matter how much you have prepared yourself, but the technologies around you is not working, then your preparation, your study, everything is just waste. So make sure that you have tested your audio, video, internet or Wi-Fi connectivity and the video platform in which your interview is going to be held. So checking your audio means make sure that your microphone speakers are working fine. Make a few tests where your voice is crisp and loud. Checking your camera or video quality means that you are clearly visible. There is not too much of light and not too dark where you are not clearly visible. So make sure your visibility is in perfect light and your background is also clean and plain. Thirdly, check your internet connectivity by going on several sites like fast.com where you can check your internet speed. Also, you can play some of the videos around you so that you can check that your internet connectivity is fine over there. Fourthly, check the video platform in which your interview is going to be conducted. Let's suppose you work on Teams platform, but the interview is going to be held on Zoom platform. So So make sure that you set up your account and everything before time. So all these four components are the backbone of an online interview process. Make sure that all these four components are covered and you have checked it all. So number 3 on my list is be punctual. We are punctual in our offline interviews, and it is suggested that we need to reach 30 minutes or 15 minutes before our offline interview. Similarly, we need to be prepared and reach on the setup of our environment 30 minutes or 15 minutes before the interview, because there might be a situation that the video platform on which your interview is going to be held, you haven't used that, so you need to download that, install that in your system, and that will take time. So in order to give an online interview, stay punctual as you would have done that in an offline interview. Also, by any chance, if you cannot give that particular interview in that particular time, try to inform the HR prior to the interview so that they can inform the interviewer and they do not have to wait for you in the panel. This would not create a negative impact of yours, and make sure the reason which you are giving to the HR is on point. So number 4 on my list is check your environment. Make sure whatever environment you choose for your online video interview, that should be plain and there should be no background noise. So make sure you sit in a silent place where you are distraction free, and so that you can focus only on the interview. So in order to make sure that your interview process goes smooth, inform everyone at your home that you are going to give an interview so that they can control children and pets and keep them under supervision so that you don't get distracted with their voices or sounds. So make sure you create a silent place where you are distraction free in the interview process. So number 5 on my list is listen carefully and then speak slowly and clearly. Don't be in a haste. So the point is that make sure your interviewer completes the entire question properly and then wait for few seconds so there is no dilemma of cutting him off in the mid of his question. So when he asks the question, let it complete, wait for a few seconds and then respond. This will avoid the process of the cutting it, which you could have done when you are in haste. So don't be in haste. Secondly, if you have heard your question properly and if you're not able to understand that, rephrase it. Don't shy away in asking the question again. You can ask them to rephrase it and then think about it. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't be too loud and fast so that the interviewer could not understand what exactly you want to convey. So make sure you speak slowly and clearly and on point. Don't say stories behind every questions you have. Be on point, on crisp. Because on online interview, people do not want it to be lengthy and clumsy. Rather, they want to be short, precise and on point. So make sure you are prepared well, you listen properly and you speak clearly and loudly and on point. So number 6 on my list is paying attention to your body language. It is very important to take care of body language in online interview process as well, because your body language conveys a lot of things. As we have studied, we have been taught that don't do like this, don't do like this. In the offline interview, this tells the interviewer that the person is nervous, stressful and don't know the answer. Similarly, in online interview process, in the video, make sure that you don't keep your hand like this, you don't rub your hand, you are not anxious, you are not doing like this. These kind of stuff should not be done. Rather, sit straight and put your hands down so that there is no movement here, so that interviewer can just focus on you. Also, make sure that you are not looking in the eyes of the interviewer, rather look into the camera, because in the online interview process, it is very important that you are well focused. Interviewer should not feel that you are distracted by something which is moving on your screen. Rather, he should feel that you are listening to him properly and then answering him the answers. So make sure you keep an eye contact with the camera properly in the interview. Now that you know we have covered all the points for acing your online video interview, now it's time for the exciting surprise which I have created for you. Since this month we have completed 1000 subscribers and we are a family of 1000 plus subscribers, so I just wanted to give back to this community. So I have created a freebie for all of you. Very often people DM me that they don't know how to apply for jobs. Some ask that how exactly should be the steps for the interview process, what exactly they should do to grab their dream job. I know this pandemic has been really tough. People have lost their job. Many don't know what exactly and how they should apply for a job. Many are stuck with the job which they really don't want to do. So I have created a freebie which will give you exact steps on how you should land your dream job. So this is just not another ebook which you will just keep scrolling. Rather, you need to work on this. This freebie is just not an ebook, rather it consists of some actionable steps that I have given to you. I have divided this book into steps. I have made a guide in fact where after every step you need to do an assignment and then only you can proceed to second step. So by the end of this freebie, you will be able to get a lot of clarity that what exactly you want your job to be, how you should proceed, what progress you have made, how you have applied for the job and so much. So make sure you grab this freebie. I will provide the link in the description box and also let me know how did you like this, and if anything else I could add then I would definitely update. Make sure you go through and keep me updated about that. And also if you like my videos, to hit the like button, to mention all your queries, comments in the comment section, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of my latest videos.